I want to teach you PowerShell in the fastest and easiest way possible. The videos in this channel break down concepts in a simple, concise, and practical way to help you along your journey to becoming a PowerShell master. The goal of this channel is to learn by doing. The videos will prioritize practicality and in most cases will showcase a script that is commonly used in the enterprise. There are different types of videos for all kinds of learners. The main video series show a basic, intermediate, and advanced versions of a script that performs a common IT task. One-liners are quick breakdowns of a simple script that is written in one line of code. Tips and tricks show little nuggets of knowledge like keyboard shortcuts or other simple techniques that can be incorporated into the script making process. The channel GitHub page is linked in the description. It will host all the scripts used in the video, as well as the write-ups, which include links to other resources and sometimes extra information not shown in the video, so be sure to check it out. Welcome to my channel. I hope you learned something.